This started, and Mark LeBrun, who lives in California, he's a computer scientist. He likes to consider unusual ways of doing arithmetic. Well, do you know children have a lot of trouble in school? This is because of carrying. So let me show you an example. So there's all this trouble with the carries. So they said, let's make it simple for the kiddies. We're not gonna have any carries. We're gonna abolish all carries. So lunar arithmetic can be divided into 4 types. Those are no. So the lunar arithmetic can be divided into 4 types. Those are lunar addition, multiplication, the squares, and the primes. And for the specials, the lunar cubes. So let's say if we want to add 2 numbers. So 7 and no. So if you want to add, let's say 5 and 9, the result is not 14 anymore on the moon. It's 9. Because in addition, you pick the bigger of the 2. So this is why lunar arithmetic is done. Now let's do lunar multiplication. Now this is very basic. Now let's say 18 times 46. For that we should have to learn 17 times 24, which is really comfortable for me. 4 sevens are 4, 4 ones are 1, which means 6 eights are 8, 6 ones are 1, then 4 eights are 4. Oh, we picked the smaller of the 2 in lunar. So 6 eights are 6, 6 ones are 1, 4 eights are 4, and for that we should have to learn this. 2 sevens are 2, and 4 eights are 4, and 4 ones are 1. So we need to add this. 1 plus 4 is 4, and 6. So 18 times 46 is 146 in lunar arithmetic. Now let's talk about the lunar squares. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 2 times 2 is equal to 2, and so on to 9 times 9 is equal to 9. Well, what do we know about 10 squared? Well, do you know I will weigh 5.95 on the moon, right? So if I go to the moon and teach someone who are in the moon, well, I will weigh just approximately 6 on the moon, or 5.95. So what about 10 squared? So 10 times 10 is equal to, now 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0. Oh, So let's try it again. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. And let's try. Well, 10 squared is 100, just as back on Earth. Now let's know 11 squared. So 11 times 11, you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 1. So 11 squared is 1, 1, 1. So 12 squared is 1, 1, 2, 13 squared is 1, 1, 3. And this is what happens. Well, this is sequence A087019 in the OEIS. Now, I'm gonna tell you about the lunar primes. You're really gonna like this. So question is, so primes cannot be like, now primes can be factored whose possible factorization is 1 times p. So back on Earth, well, 5 was a prime. So on the moon, is 5 a prime? Well, no. 5 is equal to 6 times 5. So 5 is not a prime. What's happening? 5, back on Earth, 5 is a prime. So I would like to give you a question. So what is 1 on the moon? Can you give me a guess? You should have to give the answer in just 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 9. So the lunar primes have a 9 in their digit. So we should say that if 19 is a prime, 19 is a prime, 29 is a prime, 39 is a prime, 49 is a prime, 59 is a prime, 69 is a prime, 79 is a prime, 89 is a prime, well, 90 is a prime. Looks like so we say that we should multiply 17 by a 7 to get 17. 7 times 7 is 7, 7 times 1 is 1. So we multiplied 17 by a 7 to get 17. Why is this? Now we cannot, so 19 is a lunar prime. So how do you find 19 as something? You cannot multiply 19 by a 9 because it has a 9 in its digit. The next primes are 91, 92, 93, 94, then 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99, because lunar primes have a 9 in their digit. Well, these are all composite numbers back on Earth except 97. This is why it is happening. Now, the last ones are the lunar cubes. Well, in lunar prime, 6 cubed is 6, because 6 times 6 is 6, and 6 times 6 is 6. So, how do we say? So, 100 times 10. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1. Add these together. 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0. 10 cubed is 1000 as back on Earth. But it is not going to happen. So to multiply 111 times 11. So 111 times 11, that is, you get 111, 11, then add them together. 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, then 1. Oh, it's the same again. No. 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 1. So 11 cubed is 1111 on the moon. So this video is getting closer to 1111. If you like this video, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.